Today we are marking the first trip to our property. And what date is it?
Today is July 22nd, 2025.
There?
It is. You're going to build a house?
That's right. You ready to do this again?
Never.
All right. We look forward to 10 months when this is all done. Well, we did it. We are going to get our permit today. And it has been a ridiculous long time to get to this point. Maybe it's appropriate. Maybe some people drug their feet. But whatever, it's happening today. We're on our way to, I think it's pronounced Tavares.
I really don't know. People say it all sorts of different ways.
The building department to go pay our fees and get our permit and hopefully get started next week with at least locking down some contractors. So it's pretty exciting.
Here we go.
It's America's Seaplane City. America's. All right, there's the building department.
Right there.
Find the parking place.
That looks like that's going to be a little bit of a challenge.
Well, here we go.
Here we go.
Wish us luck.
Fingers crossed. We did it. What do you have in hand?
Permit.
Even though I messed up a check and had to rewrite it, I don't know, twice, because then they also messed up the amount. So it was all giving them trouble, but we did it. I thought I was gonna cry. I was gonna cry. I got all choked up that I'm gonna get choked up again. That's ridiculous that we're just finally here. It's been a long road. I'm super stoked.
That's here.
Yeah. A home for our family. I'm excited.
We did it. The beginning. A long road.
Still a long road.
Long road, but at least we can start freaking building a house. Bull crap. Round two.
This is the pile the boys were able to get done of wood chipping before the wood chipper wouldn't chip wood anymore. So they had to return it. Got the manpower.
Yeah, let's see how thick it is. There. My finished fence. Super easy to dig. Super hot makes super suck. Silt fence. Check. First time I've done that. Not much to it. Just bury the bottom foot and roll it around, float up with dirt. Permit box. Check. Fence mowing over there decided to do the whole acre. So that's actually pretty cool. Mowing 1 acre of grass with a push mower in mid-May in Florida. It's a workout. Yeah, rewarding. Look, a workout. And these love bugs, it's just terrible. Disgusting little perverts everywhere. Yeah, sorry, I probably shouldn't be showing this. It's our chill area and slash work area. Like I said, it's usually shady, so it's a nice little hangout. So we got our permit now, and the leading up to that, we had been kind of getting anxious just about like not doing anything. So we actually started picking at the fence, and what else did we do? We got the fence done. We cleared some brush.
Had bonfires.
Built the fence. Built a small little fire pit. Just kind of picked at the property with everything we could do without permit, and
hung out. Had coffees, dinners.
Oh yeah, lots of hangout here.
Lots of hangout.
Now that the kids moved here, we just come out here and just let the kids run and the dogs run, and it's great.
Lots of dreaming.
And then we staked out the house plot where it's going to sit, and shot all the elevations for the guy doing the site prep, the pad build up for the slab. So that's where we're at right now. No construction, just property maintenance and kind of making it home.
Yeah, making it home. Just coming here after work, I don't want to leave. It's like so peaceful. We have a great neighborhood, but it is a HOA, gated community, beautiful, but houses are like on top of each other, and we aren't those people. We're free range, just like free range chickens. We want to be free.
Yeah, I love it out here. So that's where we're at. Just getting ready to break ground, and on the next one, I think I'll break down all the cost of what it cost us to get to this point, just land and permits and drawings and all that stuff. Maybe with a little bit of what the first phase is going to cost too. So with that, we'll see you on the next one.
These birds look so cute and pretty, but they sound like the raptors like in Jurassic, and they will come at you. And they communicate with each other. It's really scary.